इन इंडिया क्वेश्चन है यूपीएससी का और क्वेश्चन का महत्व है स्टेट सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर इट इज बेस्ड ऑन चेक एंड बैलेंस. So the Indian parliamentary system has three organs: legislative, executive, judiciary. Legislative in our constitution present to only make law. The executive present in our constitution to execute the law, to implement the law. In judiciary to justify the law and to rectify the law. In here, the question asking for you state separation of power, it is based on check and balance. So the three organs in Indian constitution mention check and balance. So let's start. Since British system of parliamentary form of government was adopted, it was thought it could be better to avoid adopting complete separation of power as in the American system. So in Indian constitution, the provisions article 50 says separation of power and article 123 says check and balance and article 75 says complete response, the collective response in the case of impeachment. And fourth, article 121 and article 211, judiciary can't question to the parliamentary. And fifth, article 122, the parliamentary can't question the judiciary. In India, the unequal separation of power, for example, the legislative review the function of the executive, like public accounts, etc. The executive, like president, appoint the judge. It is the work of only legislative. In Visakha case, where the Supreme Court issued the guideline on sexual harassment, in the case of guidelines, the judiciary important for this case. Way forward, the India neither completely separation of power, whether check and balance mentioned.